Welcome to Pacific Skillshare. This video is an overview of the Pacific Skillshare online learning platform. Pacific Skillshare is designed to help you learn, work, and earn by building skills you can use. At the top, you have the main navigation menu. You'll see fields of study, courses, explore roles, and resources. These are currently whited out at the moment because they're being developed in the background and will be available soon. However, fields of study will show you the different areas you can focus on. Courses will list all the available courses on the Pacific Skillshare platform. Explore roles will guide you through career paths and the skills that you would need to learn for a particular role that you are interested in. And resources will include ebooks, guides, tutorials, and other learning materials. You also have your login, join for free, and submit a course option here as well. Below that is the search bar, where you can search for any skill, course, or career path that is of interest to you. We will be adding more skills, courses, and career path to the platform on a regular basis. As you move down the platform, you see trending courses, these trending courses highlight skills and topics that are in demand right now. Further down below that is featured classes. Featured classes are short, focused lessons on specific topics. And further down below that is the course catalog and course categories, where you can browse all available courses that is available on the platform. So everything on the Pacific Skillshare platform is designed to help you gain skills, apply them, and move towards earning an income.